this is me and I'm done. Like, I'm done. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Delah. Welcome back to another video. Well, I just got up and it's 10:46 in the morning. Today I don't have any class, so I think I'm gonna use the day to show you my first routine. And well, I have something to show you first before showing you my first routine. We're going to unbox the lip mask. Yeah, I ordered for a lip mask a few days back, so it got here yesterday and I'm gonna open it today with you guys so that we all see how it is. I'm gonna show you how the package is, and this is how it came with this little box. Yeah, this is how it looks like. And up here they write, I don't know if you can see it, but up here they write the day that it was shipped and time. And here's my name, phone number, my address, yeah, and all that. That's it. So we're gonna open it and see how it looks like inside. I'm gonna need a scissor, I guess. Here we go. Oh, big box bag. I think it's a big box for this little mask. Yeah, so this is just how it is inside. And here it is. It's written Cherry Night Moisturizing Repairing Lip Mask. Let's see how it looks inside first, and then we'll continue with the instructions later. It comes with this little brush. Yeah, let's see itself inside. This is how it looks. I think it's beautiful. I think the pack, like the elf, it's really cute. And okay, lip mask comes like this, and let's open up. Oh my god, it smells good. It smells good, guys. It's really nice. We're gonna read the instructions here and see what it tells. The instructions is written here. This product is Mild Nature Skincare Light Wipe, can help soften the aging of the lip skin and lips, to add a wealth of nutrition moisturizing creams to improve the lip skin problems, to create a supple full of charming lips. I like that. So actually you need to use the lip mask the evening or the night before, so you sleep with it. Yeah, but we're gonna try a bit of it. I'm gonna use this one here. I'm just gonna show you like how we're supposed to use it, and then because I'm not sleeping, I'm up already. Look at that. So after you apply, look at that. Look how it's glowing. It's really cute. I think it feels it's not heavy, it's light, you know. You feel like you don't have anything on your lips. Yeah, so really nice. After you apply it like this, you're gonna sleep with it, and the next morning, I'm just gonna show you the next morning what you have to do. The next morning you have to use your wipes. These wipes it out like this. So we're done with the lip mask, so let's go for the first routine. So I have washed my face already, and I don't really have a long process or a lot of products that I use. This is how I do my first routine. So I have only like 2 or 3 things that I use. Yeah, so the first thing after I wash my face, I use this rice moisture toner. Yeah, and then to apply this you need to use cotton, first cotton you have, but I don't have it right now with me, so I'm gonna use this cotton. You put some of it here. What you actually do, you apply going outward. Like this. Well, the first time I was using this toner, my face was like a bit itchy, but now that I'm used to it, it's I don't feel itchy again because I think my face is used to it already. So this is what you do, and then when you're done, you can see the dirtiness that comes out from your face. And I've washed my face already, and look at this. So it does the work. It's written here, after washing the face, dispense an adequate amount until the cotton puff. Apply gently in an outward direction along with the skin texture. That's what I did. So that's the moisture toner. And after that, I used vitamin E oil. Yes, and it's written here, vitamin E oil with organic rosy hip and jojoba oil blend. It can be used on your skin, hair, nails. It's written here, apply 2-3 drops to face or skin and gently massage. Use daily, morning and or night. Yeah, daily, morning or night. Apply to hair and nails as required. Okay, but I use this on my face. You just take little, so it's for me, so that the way I measure it, it shouldn't exceed this part here. Yeah, so I'm kind of, you just need to use a little bit, not too much. I think it is okay. So you just put it here, and here. You just use your hands. My nose is actually too dry than other parts of my face. My nose and this part here really dry. So I love putting more of vitamin E around this area. So after I'm done with this, you can believe it, but this is me and I'm done. Like I'm done. Yeah, so these are the two things that I usually use every day, every single day. Yeah, and they're very important to use them together, because there was a time I was just using vitamin E alone and my face was getting dry when I go outside. Like I don't see the oil again, so the toner really helps. They work together very well. One thing to add, a good time for applying toner is right away after drying your face with a clean towel. The thing is, I never had a lot of issues with my skin, but sometimes it just gets too dry. I never had particular products for my skin. I was using random stuff, sometimes lotions, different kind of lotions. Yeah, but during the winter, I usually use the lotion plus the Vaseline. I did show you in the back video, the one that talks about things you need to pack when going abroad. I'll put the link in the description so that you see it if you didn't see it. And the Vaseline this year, because of the Rona, I could not get the Vaseline getting it home. So this year I had to figure something out. Apart from the Vaseline, so I started using the toner and the vitamin E serum, and they're working out very well for me. And I even tried using the cleanser and these other kinds of moisturizers, but the cleanser makes my skin break. The moisturizer, my skin gets too oily again, because I don't even know what the type of skin that I have, but when I use the moisturizer, my skin gets bumpy. The combination of the toner and the vitamin E serum moisturizes my skin well enough that I don't need to add the moisturizing cream. I'm done with everything with the vitamin E and the toner. For For my lips, I use this Vaseline Lip Therapy Rosy Lips. Yeah, this is dry lips. It's the one that I use for my lips. So the lip mask, you use it during the night, and this you can use it, yeah, during the day. Look at that. I'm done. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and give the video a big thumbs up, and see you to my next video.